Warm apple and cinnamon oatmeal is a tricky task. But every time I post a bowl of oatmeal or porridge in my stories, I get a ton of questions asking how I make it. It's that simple to whip up a warm, easy, yet super delicious bowl of oatmeal. This is actually my personal favorite soap and has become almost my permanent soap, because it is so easy and the simplest oatmeal recipe you can find. Just add rolled oats, chia seeds, cinnamon powder, and grated apple to a blender. Add your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or plant-based, and let it simmer over low heat until it thickens. You can find the full list of ingredients in the video description. Once it thickens, pour it into a bowl and top it with fresh grated apple, your favorite nuts. I used pistachios and almonds, a bit more cinnamon powder, some flaxseed, and a sweetener, which can be honey or any plant-based sweetener. It's really incredibly delicious, and you absolutely have to try it out. You definitely need to make this.